Moving to our next award category. Banking CRO of the Year. And the winner is
Ashish Jain from Bank of Baroda.
congratulations to Ashish Jain ji from Bank of Baroda for winning the award, Banking CRO of the Year. Accepting the award is Ashish Jain himself. Ladies and gentlemen, Ashish Jain, Bank of Baroda winning the award, Banking CRO of the Year. Congratulations once again, Mr. Ashish Jain, ladies and gentlemen, winning the prestigious award.
I'll just take 2 minutes to express my gratitude, one to the Synex Group and the wonderful audience who are present here. Second most important is, this award does not belong to me. I mean, it's belong to my team who is sitting there and people have come in. So given an opportunity, I would like to call upon my team on stage.
Absolutely, absolutely.
To
Can
please
we have them,
come
please?
and join this. I mean, Sushil, Anil, Ganesh and everyone.
Big round
Just
of
get
applause.
up and join in.
Please, please,
Uh,
please.
More importantly, Akash, Mrityunjay, Prabjot, if you are there, you also come in, please.
Please do. Can we have them on the stage, please? Please do, please do.
Mrityunjay, if you are there.
Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, to
I
the
mean,
team.
this represents the fact that you are as good as your team. That's important. And what is more encouraging or important is it's the journey of persuasion and the journey of possibility. Now we are from private sector bank and we have been working with Bank of Baroda. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the head receivable, Mr. Girish Patnaik, who's not there, probably, and then the EDs, ED ma'am, Ms. Veena Wahid, and our MD who have showered the faith. They have rested the faith to bring in the private practices to a PSU environment and customize it. And mind well, the asset quality which is there in the public domain is for everyone's view. Secondly, more important is the fact that we have been the leaders in setting up this an example which is now being followed by other PSB bank as well. So, I mean, this, as I said, is an art of possibility. So, Mr. Girish Patnaik and the entire management team of Bank of Baroda had made it possible. And what is more important is the people standing next to me have relentlessly worked overnight to make it possible. So प्राइवेट की अच्छी चीज़ें प्राइवेट PSU में आ रही हैं और PSU बैंक प्राइवेट से compete करेगा in all the fronts. That is what we can commit and say, I mean, very proudly and make it big. That's it. Thank you.
Congratulations once again, ladies and gentlemen. Rightly said, award belongs to the entire team. And that was, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Ashish Jain winning the prestigious award. And of course, the entire team of Bank of Baroda, I would say, the prestigious Banking CRO of the Year.